combination of Ponpan, Achima, Jutamas and Sopanich. They have their best of 333.16 in 2014.
That was lane 3. Then we have in the next lane, and that's India. The best timing of 3 minutes 26.89. There you see on your picture frame Debashri Mazumdar. She will be running the first leg, followed by Puamma MR, Jisna Matthew and Nirmala running the anchor leg.
They should be a medal prospect because Puamma, Jisna Matthew, the young girl, and Nirmala Sharon, who won the gold in the 400 meters in there. Kazakhstan, very strong. Svetlana Golandevia, Elena Mikina, Adelina Amaktova and Morgiev is their anchor. The Kazakhstan team, 3 minutes 30.03 in 2010, 7 years ago. So all these countries go back the distance in their national records.
Yes, and now Japan, in fact Japan having Sasuke Oki, Kana Ichikawa, Sika Ayoma and Manami Kira, and Japan has the best timing of 328.91 in 2015, which is in a way very recent.
Compared to the you got Vietnam here, their combination is on Thi Quach, Thi Wang and Thi Guan. That's the Vietnamese team, and here we are now for the 4x400 meters. Important to remember that unlike the sprint, only the first of the athletes runs in the lane. Then after that, the second runner only has her from the first curve. That's the first curve. All of them come in the inside. So that's important. The world record, Soviet Union, 315.17 way back in 1988 at Seoul. And the current world performance is the University of Oregon, 323.13. So yes, a start there which didn't really take place. Just going back, as I said, Soviet Union, I still remember what a wonderful quartet they had in 1988. Tatiana Lidaskevia, Olga Nazarova, Maria Pinigina, and completing the quartet there was the brilliant Olga Boyzina. So a warning there, yes, for Kazakhstan, was it? We got only 5. Kishore, we can't afford to have one out. India, once again, remember, Debashri Mazumdar to start, M.R. Puamma, the veteran in the 400 meters, Jisna Matthew, the young girl, and Nirmala Sharon, who won the 400 meters flat for the women. The start lineup there, Thailand, India, Kazakhstan, Japan and Vietnam. The women's 4x400 meters final, you're the last event of track and field.
Yes, as they get ready there, this high shines in this very knowledgeable audience. There they go there, and really doing extremely well on the outer band. Vietnam and Japanese girls, they know they need to get a fair distance early on, so that when it comes to the curve, they could in many ways, the disadvantage of running in the outer lane can be minimized. But at the moment, very much in the lead are the girls from Japan and Vietnam running the first leg of this 4x400 meter relay.
Yes, they all have to stick to their respective lanes. India now cruising along. They are in the inside, so obviously the advantage, they are drawn in lane number 3. So there you have Debashri Mazumdar now coming into her own. But there is Vietnam, but that could be early days. Debashri Mazumdar is tiring a wee bit. The Vietnamese girl is strong, Japan is strong, Kazakhstan is strong as well. The first of them to hand over the baton, I suspect, is going to be the Indian girl Debashri Mazumdar to M.R. Puamma. But look at the Japanese go, look at the Vietnamese go. Vietnam there to Thi Quach, the Japanese to Kana Ichikawa, and India to M.R. Puamma. The Kazakh girls to Elena Mikina. And India now, there is the experience. M.R. Puamma gliding along. She might suddenly take over to go in the front.
Yes, Puamma, what distance she has covered. She got the baton in the 3rd or 4th place. Now in 2nd place, M.R. Puamma powering on there. And that's the next of the baton exchanges, which will be very, very crucial. She will be handing out to Jisna Matthew. But Vietnam still in the lead. That's Quack. And Quack is still in the lead. Puamma a close 2nd. And the Kazakh girl coming in 3rd at the moment. At the 2nd baton exchange about to take place. Puamma gives it to Jisna Matthew. And Jisna slides there. And that's enough for Vietnamese girl to power ahead. But there is Jisna Matthew doing her best. Look at her running, Milind. She is slowly but surely bridging the gap.
Forging the rapport is important to the 4x100, 4x400 as also the 4x100. Wonderful run. This is beautiful. Jista Matthew. Oh, what a run she's had. Puama, the experience lag behind, the beaten exchange of 40. A little bit of a nudge out there. Is there going to be question? The young girl, Jista Matthew, she will now hand it over to the girl who won the 400 meters, Nirmala Sharon. But this will be, Kishore, too close for comfort.
Too close, but what a run by Puama, Emma Puama. She not only got past the Vietnam, and in fact, Vishnu Matthew is the one. Vishnu Matthew, there she's going to Nirmala Sharon. Not about meters of exchanges, but still, that's the chance for the Vietnamese girl. She's trying to catch it, but there is Nirmala Sharon, the experienced Nirmala Sharon, very much in the lead at the moment.
Fighting for dear life is Nirmala Sharon, that they've lost about 2 or 3 seconds out there. That could have been very, very crucial from an Indian perspective. But Nirmala Sharon, the brilliant runner that she is, 400 flat, the gold medal earlier on. She is now about 9 to 10 meters. I don't think so. She's going to be stopped in her side. Vietnam, wonderful job for them. But India certainly looking for the gold. The last 100 meters, India now very, very strong.
Nirmala Sharon there. Look at her go as she runs behind the leg. And this could well be out the gold medal from India. This could be like 400 meter relay. Look at Nirmala Sharon. It's already running gold in the 400 meter run, and there she wins another gold in the 4 into 400 meter relay. Winning in the end quite comfortably. Just get the feeling that it was Vietnam who came in